Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 15 from the playlist of motion in a straight line. The topic is the velocity displacement graph. And based on this topic, I have selected one question for this session which is written here on this board. So in this question, the velocity displacement graph of a particle is given to us, and from this graph we have to find the relation between v and x, where v is the velocity of the particle and x is the displacement. So here this line AB, this is a straight line, and for a straight line we know that the standard equation is given by this formula. That is, the standard equation of a straight line is given by this formula, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where c is the y-intercept, c is the y-intercept, and m is the slope of the line. Now here the coordinates of the point A of this line is 0 and v0. This is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate, which is equal to v0, and the coordinates of the point B is x0 and 0, because 0 is the y coordinate and x0 is the x coordinate of this point B. So the slope of the line m, this is equal to, this is the standard formula, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So if y2 is v0, then y1 will be 0, and then in this case then x2 will be 0 and x1 will be equal to x0. So here the slope is equal to minus v0 upon x0. So by using this equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c, I will get the equation as v will be equal to m is equal to minus v0 upon x0 into x plus the y-intercept. So y-intercept here will be equal to v0. So from this equation, I will get another equation, that is v0 upon x0 into x. This will be equal to v0 minus v. So this is the relation between the velocity and the displacement of this particle. So this is the equation which we have got, or I can say this is the relation which we have got between the velocity and the displacement of this particle. And now in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic, that is velocity displacement graph, and in that session we will be finding the acceleration of the particle with the help of this velocity displacement graph. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.